Good evening everyone. So today in this video we will discuss about the Great Depression. Second one is the causes of Great Depression and third one is the end of the Great Depression. But first we need to understand that what is the Great Depression. Actually it was nothing. The Great Depression is referred to as the greatest and also the longest economic downturn or recession in the modern history, and this recession was started in the USA and after that had a very rippling effect on the economies of the world. And it is said that the Great Depression started with the USA stock market crash in October 1929, and to be very precise, in the American history this stock market crash is also known as the Black Thursday. The impact of crashing of the stock market resulted in panic among the investors in Wall Street, those investors who invested money in the stock market. And it is considered that about almost $30 billion wiping out from the stock market. This resulted in the crashing of other major financial institutions such as banks. It is said that around 5,000 banks went bankrupt as an aftermath of the stock market crash of 1929. One of such banks was Boden Credit and Stalt Bank, which is a very important bank for the Austrian economy. So there was a very significant drop in the consumer spending also and investment that caused a major decline in industrial output and laying off employees from the companies. And by 1933 the unemployment rate was risen to 25% and the GDP of the USA contracted to half of its value due to the deflation. Deflation is a situation when there is a reduction of the general level of prices in an economy. So this deflation, around 15 million jobs were lost in the economy due to the deflation. The other significant impact of the Great Depression was that many farmers lost all their properties due to the drought and overcultivation in the Midwest America. This was termed as the Dust Bowl, which destroyed the agricultural land. Dust Bowl means the dust storm. Now we will see the causes of a Great Depression. So Great Depression is attributed to the combination of the following factors. First one is the tight monetary policies adopted by the Central Bank of America. Second one is the stock market crash of 1929. We already discussed about that. And the failure of banks, which was the impact of the stock market crash as more people withdrew all their savings from the banks, leading to the closure. And the reduction in purchases due to the diminished savings. The passing of a Smoot-Hawley tariff or the Tariff Act 1930 that imposed high taxes on the imported goods. As a retaliation for the same, other trade countries and other trade partners imposed very high tariff on goods made in the USA, so which resulted in a decline in world trade by around 2/3 between the periods of 1929 and 34. Other reason is the environmental degradation by drought and farming practices that did not help in soil preservation, created a large areas of a non-agricultural land. This was known as the Dust Bowl in history. This was coupled with the dust storms which destroys crops and livestock also. Now we will see how the Great Depression was ended. Can be attributed to many factors also, and the most prominent among them are the New Deal. And the New Deal referred to the policies that were put into the effect by the Franklin Roosevelt, the new elected president of the United States. The policies like the Emergency Bank Act, Emergency Farm Mortgage Act and the Agriculture Adjustment Act. He had enacted various emergencies act also. So these policies were implemented with the aim of stabilizing the economy and providing the securities to the farmers and the crops. All these policies and other new policies paved a way for injecting the stability in the economy and the lower unemployment rates across the country. The World War I-II is some economists suggest that the start of World War II was one of the factors of ending the Great Depression as due to the joining of the USA in war, which led to the government spending shot up significantly, thus leading to the more employment. This coupled with sharp reduction at the end of the World War II in areas of taxes and regulation contributed to the end of the Great Depression. So that was the video. Thank you very much.